All right, let's get it. So this is my second time recording this video. First time I recorded, I forgot to share my screen. So Bollinger Momentum Traders, name of the group. Uh, and I'm gonna jump to the charts, starting on the 1 hour. I'm gonna do a recap for May 6th. Uh, so we're looking on the 1 hour, prices above the Bollinger Band. This is the zero point 0.5 Bollinger Band. So prices above, we're looking for buys, right? Drop down to the 30 minute. We don't really see a consolidation area, except for during the end of the Asian and beginning of London session is where we see the box uh, over here. Okay, so that's where we see a consolidation is over here. We don't, then we see a breakout. Okay, so we are in a break and retest environment. How do I know that? I'll go down to the VIX, which is the volatility index. Have that marked up here at 18. Let's get down to a lower time frame. So at 18, below 18 is the best environment for break and retest. As you can see, volatility is below 18. Okay. Going back to May 6th, which is where we are right here. May 6th, price is below the yellow line, which is what I've marked up uh, as a key level for volatility. So medium volatility, best environment for break and retest. May 6th, it's below that. All right. So that's what we're looking for. Going back to Qs, May 6th. All right, here we go. So knowing that we're in a break and retest environment, this is the last consolidation that I can see on the 1 hour. Okay. Oh, not on the 1 hour. So when I drop down to the 30 minute, I see it here. When I drop down to the 15, it's still holding pretty strong. Okay. We had the breakout. Now we're waiting for the retest. And so we get that retest here during New York session, which is in between these two blue lines, which is my trading session, which is 8 a.m. to 11. Okay. So I'm sitting, I'm waiting for market for opening bell at 8:30. Now, one of the mistakes that I made this week was placing my entries on the 1 minute instead of the 5 minute. And I got stopped out on all three of the trades that I took this week. So, um, one of the refinements that I'll be making going into next week is uh, making sure that I'm placing my execution and my entries on the 5 minute instead of the 1 minute. So, here we are. Does that consolidation there, breakout, retest, it comes back. Here it is, opening bell, good volume, good candle. It's still below the Bollinger Bands. So that's no trade for me, even though it looks nice, it looks good. If we wait, then we get the 840 candle will be an entry candle. Place a long tool here and the stop on the other side of the Bollinger Band or at structure, and you have this low right here. So that's going to be the best place for your stop. And then you can target uh, previous structure that gives you a 1-to-1 on this trade. You can go 1.5 or 2. We are making all-time highs in this area. Okay. So all-time highs from the London session. Another way to map out your take profit points would be you could drop a um, Fibonacci on the chart, and basically from structure. So got a fee up here, you go from this low, this broke up, right, and then it started pulling back. So we can go from here to here, and then look at how price has touched, went up, We entered there, came back, it hit 50% of that move, 50% turned around, went back up again. This is a bullish candle, bullish volume, bullish candle. They are in alignment. You can take that as your entry as well at 9:05, or you can take the entry here at 9:30, which would have been the better entry. You wouldn't have had to sit and draw down, and the trade would have went into profit immediately. And then how do you choose your target? Again, you can do a 1.5 or more. In this case, we have 2.0. And so price did not get there at the close of the day. And so you could have taken profit at any point along this trade. Now, where should you have taken profit? Probably should have exited right here at 11:45. But if 11 o'clock is the exit time, then you would exit at 11. You would have been in profit. How much profit? You would have been in profit 0.64 or $222 on the trade if you had taken your exit at 11 o'clock or 12 New York time, 11 o'clock Central time, right? Now, if you had held on to that trade throughout the day, we can make some adjustments here on the Fibonacci, and we can 1.5 we can add, and we can also add a 1.0. Change that color. Let's see what back. Dark green, bottom, dark green, 3 from the bottom. Right. So looking at it this way, we have Scudo. Boom. That's a target right there at 210 if you held on to it. So it could be a scalp intraday or intraday swing, uh, depending on how you trade. Uh, but that is the trade. That's the entry. And again, keeping in mind the VIX, you definitely want to take a look at the VIX every day in the morning and see where we are. And so these are your TPs here. -1, -1.5, -2, -2.5, -4. So -2.2 and 2.5 and -4 are the uh, TPs that you'll probably hit on a daily basis. Okay. If volatility and momentum is strong, you'll probably hit a 4 every day. Probably hit a 2.5 more frequently than you'll hit the 4, but you'll probably hit the 4 every day. All right. That is the trade for May 6th. Next video will be a recap of May 7th. And there is a trade over in the Discord for May 7th, if I'm not mistaken. So, all right. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.